Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review this 7-inch RPS touchscreen DVD player special for Hyundai i40 2011 to 2014 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check header unit with good condition. This is a header unit, harness and part. Okay, let me check the header unit harness is first. You can check this special harness for Hyundai i40. You can check this connector special for Hyundai. Connect to our back connector, and this is Hyundai factory connector. Okay, speaker and power. You can check this brake wire. This brake wire do not need to connect. This is reserving input, backup camera. It's AMPY 12 voltage. This is K2 wire for steering wheel control. Okay, this is USB cable on this USB cable, and this AUX input. Okay, this is harness, and this is remote controller. This is external microphone. This camera input, camera in, and this front mini USB. This audio cable, this connect our back radio, and this subwoofer, RC type. This video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out, front and rear, left and right. Okay, this is AUX input and video input cable. This connect our back header unit. This video input and this AUX input. Okay, let me show header unit. Okay, this is the header unit. You can check the side. This left side and the right side. It's right. Okay, you can check. There are 2 screws. Please take out the screw before installing. It's fix the DVD in the shippings. Okay, let me check the back. This GPS antenna, and connect this connector, and this USB cable. This is 2 USB cable and external microphone. This long cable USB. Connect this connector. Okay, this is for audio and other connector. This is radio antenna. This Wi-Fi antenna, and this power. This fuse. Okay, let me power on header unit. Okay. Let me connect 12 voltage. Okay, you can check heater unit will be start. Okay, started. Please take out this screw protector before using. Take it out. Okay, you can adjust the brightness. Long press it will choose the wallpaper. Leave wallpaper and wallpaper image. Change the wallpaper. Okay. It updates data at time by GPS and automatically. This home button. And the radio. Click to search the radio station. This knob next and knob this DVD player, this volume, and as GPS card, SD card, IR, built-in microphone. Okay, let me show. It's a very fast response. Settings, you can check the built-in Wi-Fi, internet, not connected. And about motion, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core memory size 4GB. It's hardware PX5 octa-core Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. Let me check the car settings. Personal settings. You can check autoplay music. And power AC off. LED settings. You can change the red color, green, blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And navigation settings, you can set the maps, navigation sound, GPS, monitor, test the GPS. Okay, its driving settings is reservoir, volume, turn on or turn off, is watch video, its backup, camera, ruler, display, X mirroring. It sets the steering wheel controls. You need to connect the K2Y and the GND-Y to your original steering wheel wires. Then set the button on this panel. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.